Hey, it's John Mark, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, you probably already know this character before I can even say it. That's right, it's the Roadrunner, one of my favorite characters growing up as a kid. And I actually worked for the Warner Brothers designing garments and clothing and a whole bunch of stuff for their stores. And actually, the Roadrunner and a bunch of his buddies were some of the stuff that I created for them for several years. But anyways, now, without further ado, let's check out how to draw this cartoon. But before we get started, I just want to let you know it's going to be a little challenging because this is a very well-known character. The lines are a little bit more in depth and detailed, so it's pay attention to when you're drawing and take your time. So when you look at the first one, get the basic shape, the second, and then you're going to see even tighter at the third step. All right, so if you have some paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this little lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.